Nobody really knows. Oh wait, I'm filming the way your skirt billows.
Well, you're wait. Okay, hold on. Go back. Go back. Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, jeez.
Da, da, da. He has my sword and he's Kirk. Captain Kirk.
Hey, Kirk went
Go.
into a sword fight with her.
Oh,
wow.
That is so... Oh my god. Oh! I'm orgasming. That is beautiful. Check it out. Oh, no, no, no. My boobs falling out. Cujo sure does love eating.
Are you still filming this? Are you still filming this?
Yep.
I'm hungry. Okay.
Cujo sure does love eating. Putting food into his belly.
Shut up. Shut up.
Putting calories on his thighs. How's that It looked like a monster. Did you hunt that down and slay it with your magic and then boil it? Now you're eating it. It's going right to your thighs. Who's your what right now?
Freaking hamburger.
Dude! Tacos from last year.
Well, then
What does Fox Girl?
Hey, they have a nacho bar this year, and I'm kind of tempted to
Oh, but the wind.
I want food, too. Yes.
Oh, you want
Whoa, the line's moving. Go! Come on, Kari.
No, don't bring the dog out.
He's moving. Here he comes. Here he goes. He is the master sword. I am keeping the line. And he's off. Oh, here comes the master sword.
Go, Nick, go!
Maria's walking faster than you.
Go, Maria! Beat him!
Beat the master sword once and for all.